Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. That's a good one. We're from Texas. Hey y'all, Janelle here. I'm the voice behind Home with the Hoopers. This video is a little bit different because we normally just document all of our travels and kind of RV life, but I got my Mother's Day present early and my birthday present early, and it is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, and I am so excited. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. I am by no means a professional photographer. I'm not gonna spit out all the specs because you can read them online and get more accurate information there. I know that when I reached out to a lot of my photographer friends, no one really recommended this camera. A lot of people were leaning towards the Sony because of the 4K video, blah, 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 blah. I get it, but I'm a Canon girl. I love Canon. Slow and steady wins the race. 4K isn't a make it or break it deal for us. We love it. I think 1080p will do fine, and I'm excited to get some good still pictures on this, and let's unbox it and see what we got. All right. So we got some instructions. I'll read those later. Manuals. It's very nice here. You can tell it's packaged very nice. Canon quality in the packaging for sure. Lots of good bubble wrap. Keep this body safe. So initial thoughts, it's definitely like way lighter than I anticipated, and oh my goodness. So one of the things that sold me on the Canon is I love the grip. Like it just, in my hands, it just feels natural. Like I love it. It feels like it's just made for me. And I also loved this articulating screen like this, especially with the vlogging that we're doing, and we're hoping to get more into a lot of us talking and just face-on vlogging. This articulating screen is going to be amazing for us. So I'm super excited about this. I also love the dial here, that it has everything. The screen is also touch screen. So really excited about this. So nice. Ooh. I did get the kit, so it came with the lens, and it came with the 24-105 lens, which is a great lens. I'm excited about it. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so it's a great starting point for me. Got our neck strap here. Eventually I would love to get a couple fixed lenses, but those cost a lot of money, so we're just keeping it basic, learning the skills here. Got that. We got a battery, really nice battery. It's supposed to have fantastic battery life too. It's got the cover on it right now. And here we got the charger. Pop the cover off. And it just slides in like this and plugs right into the wall. Super compact, lightweight as well. And here is the big daddy, the lens. So there's no cords with this one. I guess it has the Wi-Fi capability, so I guess I had a Rebel, and that one didn't have Wi-Fi, so you had to hook it up to the computer to get all your stuff off. So here's the lens, 2470 or 24-105, sorry. Beautiful lens. So excited, so excited. Snap these guys together here. There we go. We're locked on. And here it is. Feels great in my hands. The lens, it definitely adds a little bit more weight to it. But yeah, beautiful camera. I'm really excited about it. Let's put that battery in, see if it's charged up, and we can see if we can't make it turn on here. Super excited about this. Let's see. Let's turn this baby on. Got our screen there. Oops, I'm gonna have to play around with all this, get my time set and everything. I don't wanna do it right now. That'll take some more time, but beautiful quality, beautiful build. heavy duty camera. I'm excited. We're gonna take this out tomorrow. I'll definitely come back once I get some video footage on here and some still pictures and tell you what I think about it.